Welcome to Dorman Products Ford key fob installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered simple. No prior car knowledge is needed and should be completed in about 5 minutes. Prior to programming, we recommend reading all instructions before attempting to program remotes. Please also note that the vehicle must already be equipped with keyless entry and have at least one key already programmed to the vehicle to have this program work properly. Begin programming by first inserting the original working key fob into the ignition and keep all doors closed and unlocked. Next, cycle the ignition on and off without starting the engine 8 times within 10 seconds. Press any button on the new remote. Repeat last step with any additional remotes you might want to program to this vehicle. Finally, turn the ignition off and test new key fob with vehicle.